Hello plant lovers! Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of the Croton Mammy plant. This tropical beauty is a favorite among plant parents for its stunning foliage and relatively easy care. Whether you're new to the world of houseplants or a seasoned enthusiast looking to expand your collection, the Croton Mammy is a fantastic choice. The Croton Mammy, also known as Codium variegatum mammy, is a cultivar of the Croton species. Native to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia, this plant thrives in warm, humid environments. Don't let its exotic origins intimidate you, though. With a bit of understanding and some basic care tips, you can easily recreate the perfect environment for your Croton Mammy to flourish in your home. So let's embark on this journey together and discover the secrets to mastering Croton Mammy care. Get ready to be amazed by the vibrant colors and lush foliage this plant brings to any space. Happy growing! One look at the Croton Mammy, and you'll understand why it's often called the jewel of the tropics. Its leaves are a breathtaking spectacle of colors, ranging from deep greens and yellows to fiery oranges, reds, and purples. Unlike many plants with solid-colored leaves, the Croton Mammy boasts intricate patterns and variegation. You might find leaves splashed with spots, stripes, or veins of contrasting colors, making each leaf a unique work of art. The Croton Mammy's foliage is thick and leathery, with a glossy sheen that catches the light beautifully. The leaves are typically broad and oval-shaped, adding to the plant's overall lush and vibrant appearance. The Croton Mammy's dramatic foliage isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it's also a testament to the plant's adaptability. In their natural habitat, the bright colors help them to stand out in the dappled light of the rainforest understory, attracting pollinators and absorbing sunlight efficiently. When you bring a Croton Mammy into your home, you're welcoming a piece of this tropical vibrancy, adding a touch of exotic beauty to your surroundings. When it comes to light, the Croton Mammy enjoys a bright spot, but with a little bit of shade from the direct sun. Think of its natural habitat, the dappled light filtering through the rainforest canopy. You'll want to replicate this as much as possible in your home. A south or west-facing window is ideal, but be sure to filter the light with a sheer curtain or place your Croton Mammy a few feet back from the window. Direct sunlight, especially during the hottest hours of the day, can scorch the leaves, leading to brown spots and faded colors. On the other hand, insufficient light will cause the vibrant colors of your Croton Mammy to fade, and the plant might even start to drop leaves. If you notice your Croton Mammy's colors becoming less vibrant, it might be a sign that it needs a bit more light. Try moving it to a brighter location or supplementing with artificial grow lights. Remember, finding the right balance of light is key to keeping your Croton Mammy healthy and its foliage looking its best. Section 4. The Balancing Act. Watering your Croton Mammy. Watering your Croton Mammy correctly is crucial for its health and vibrancy. These tropical plants enjoy consistently moist soil, but they absolutely despise sitting in waterlogged conditions. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common problem for Croton Mammies. So how do you find the right balance? A good rule of thumb is to water your Croton Mammy thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Don't just rely on a schedule. Feel the soil moisture regularly to determine when your plant needs a drink. When you water, make sure to saturate the soil thoroughly, allowing excess water to drain out of the drainage holes at the bottom of the pot. Discard any water that collects in the saucer to prevent the roots from sitting in water. During the winter months, when plant growth naturally slows down, you can reduce watering slightly, allowing the soil to dry out a bit more between waterings. Keep a close eye on your Croton Mammy and adjust your watering accordingly based on its needs and the environmental conditions in your home. Section 5. Thriving in warmth and humidity. Creating the ideal environment. As a true tropical plant, the Croton Mammy thrives in warm temperatures and high humidity. It's used to the balmy, humid conditions of its native Southeast Asian rainforests, and it prefers similar conditions in your home. Ideally, keep the temperature around your Croton Mammy between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts, such as those from air conditioners, open windows, or doors, as sudden temperature fluctuations can stress the plant. Humidity is another crucial factor in keeping your Croton Mammy happy. These plants prefer a humidity level of around 40 to 60%. You can increase humidity around your Croton Mammy in several ways. Use a pebble tray by placing your plant on a tray filled with pebbles and water. As the water evaporates, it creates a humid microclimate around the plant. Another method is to group plants together. Clustering your plants can help to increase humidity levels, as they naturally release moisture into the surrounding air. And if you live in a particularly dry climate, investing in a humidifier can be a great way to provide your Croton Mammy with the moisture it craves. By maintaining a warm, humid environment, you'll create a little slice of the tropics in your home, allowing your Croton Mammy to flourish and showcase its vibrant foliage.